I'm tired. I haven't walked in years.
Do the hands.
No?
Yes.
Never.
Use slang terms. You know Jeff, right?
I've talked to him a few times.
Yeah, I taught him this. He didn't know what it was. He was like, what is this?
Do it.
You know,
do it. Do it. Come on, do it. Do it.
Do it. I'll
Come on.
shit out of you.
Come on. Come on, bud. Come on.
He walked away.
Okay, I'll do it.
Do it. Do the hand thing. Do it. Do it. I'm videotaping until you do
That's
it.
annoying. No,
Do it.
I'm gonna sue you.
Do it. Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
I'm just gonna sit here next to my friend.
Yeah, I'm fun. Oh, what's my phone?
Oh, he's hiding behind these.
It's not that difficult.